Rob McCoy here with Holganix. Today I wanted to talk to you about the opportunity of bringing a tree and shrub plant health service into your business. Why would you do this in the first place? Well, right off the bat, it's a high profit margin, low acquisition cost section of your business. There's also some other overlaps as well. You may incorporate some of the same products. You may utilize some of the same equipment. But the overall concept of taking care of someone's property through nature and beautifying their home is really the most important point. Ask yourself this. You've gone to buy a new TV before. Did you buy the insurance policy? You did because you understood the investment and you didn't want anything to go wrong with it. If you're able to capitalize on someone that has made an investment into their landscape, they're going to want to beautify that and ensure that. The best way to do that is by focusing on the biology and focusing on plant health. So don't be scared to go after a new section of the business, because remember, the acquisition cost could be very low, the profitability could be very high, and you're probably more of an expert than you realize you already are. That's all I have for today. Rob McCoy with Holganix. Thank you.